Number 1. Find the limit of 3x plus 4 as x approaches to 4. X is equal to 4. So we need to substitute our x to 3x plus 4. 3 times 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. Number 2. Find the limit of 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 4 as x approaches to negative 2. Our x is equal to negative 2. We only substitute our x. So we got negative 4 minus 1 over negative 6 plus 4 is equal to negative 5 minus over negative 2. Since they are both negative, we will make it positive. So 5 over 2 is equal to 2.5. Number 3, find the limit of x squared minus 4 or x minus 5 over x minus 5 as x approaches to 5. X minus 5. Ang gagawin natin dito is i-factor natin yung numbers sa taas. So magiging x minus 5 siya, magiging x plus 1. Since they are both x minus 5, kailangan na lang sila dalawa, ang matitira na lang is x plus 5. Since x is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. That's all mga word 2.